guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have this beautiful makeup look right here. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. I did using one of the Jaclyn Hill Bold palettes. I really hope you guys enjoy it, and let's get started. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off with the palette. I didn't do my face first because I wanted to kind of focus first on the eyes. So I'm going with this orangey shade first, and I'm going to apply this right onto my crease, bringing it back and forth. And if you guys want to see different makeup tutorials, please let me know, guys, because I am kind of running out of ideas, and so I'm really hoping you guys will help me because I am running out of ideas. So I'm going to be mixing those two shades together, and I'm going to apply those right into the outer corner of the eye. And I'm just patting those colors in, and it's just gonna be in the outer corner of the eye because I didn't really want to do any more yellow tones. I don't know why, but I'm obsessed with the yellow tones lately, so I am really like stuck on yellow. So yeah, so here I'm just gonna go ahead and apply a little bit of the Gerard Cosmetics L'Oeil Day setting spray onto my brush, and I'm going to apply this right in the inner corner of the eyes, bringing it inwards. And if you guys see my hair like moving or anything, it's because I have a fan on my left side, and this is the only way I can do videos if I have a fan right on me, because if not, I am like sweating like crazy. So yeah, so I'm just blending everything out with this brush. Then I'm just gonna go back and reapply the color a little bit. I do go back and apply a different shade on top of that, just to give me a little bit more of a darker burgundy-ish color. So I'm just patting this in, as you guys can see, in the outer corner of the eye, and then just sweeping it over on top. So I'm just cleaning any fallow that I might have or anything like that. Then I'm just going to go ahead and apply a little bit of liner. I haven't done eyeliner in a while, so I kind of wanted to do something different because I know I haven't done eyeliner in a while on my channel, but I kind of wanted to change it up a little bit. So yeah, I'm kind of a little rusty, so yes. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and apply some eyelashes. These eyelashes are from Icon. These are the Drunken Love. These are my favorite lashes, but I think this is like kind of like I'm coming to the end of using them because they are starting to kind of like not stay for long, if I'm saying it right. I don't know, but I mean, you know, I don't know how many times you can use eyelashes, but I think I've used them a lot of times already, and they're just not sticking anymore. So yeah, so I'm just making sure that I'm applying them as close as I can to my lash line, and then I'm just waiting for the glue to dry. Then I'm going with another brush and applying this color right here into the inner corner of the eyes, and then I'm going with this little orangey goldish color and applying that on top. So it gave me like a kind of like a coral inner corner eye. And then I'm going with the same outer corner color and just patting that in the bottom lash line, and this automatically made my eyes pop a lot. Then I'm applying an Urban Decay eyeliner. This one is like a purpley shade, and I just decided to do that because I didn't want to do black eyeliner, so I decided to go ahead and apply a purple eyeliner. Alright, so for foundation, I decided to switch it up a little bit, and I am using the Makeup Forever foundation. This is the Velvet something. I forgot the name of it, but I'll list it down below for you guys for all the information of all the products I use, and discount codes and everything will be listed in the bottom bar for you guys. So I'm using a new beauty blender. This one is from Morphe Cosmetics, and I really like it, you guys. It doesn't feel like fake or silicone-y, or I don't know what is the other cheap ones are called, but this one is really good. I really like it, so I'm really liking it. I do have a discount code for them. It's a prettygrace for some money off if you guys are interested in trying this sponge from Morphe Cosmetics, but it is amazing. I really like how it blended in my foundation. So I don't know if you guys want me to do like a review or something on this sponge. Let me know, because I just recently received it and it is amazing. So I'm just blending everything out, making sure that it's really nice and blended. I like to focus a little bit more on my nose so that I don't lose the product, because I usually end up with no product on my nose, and I hate that. So yeah, so for concealer, I'm using the Born This Way concealer in the color Nude, and then I use the color Vanilla. I just wanted to kind of get more coverage, so I did use two different colors. just to help me give me more of that full coverage, like a really full coverage. So I'm just blending this into the under eyes, making sure that everything is really nice and blended. And I do take my time. I should have done my eyes last, well, under eyes last, before I applied my foundation and concealer, because that's how usually you're supposed to do it. But I decided not to, and I did it my own way. So I have to be extra careful on it to not mess up my eyeshadows. But if it does, you can definitely go back and reapply the eyeshadows. Definitely. So I just didn't want to do all that, so I'm just blending everything on my forehead and the bridge of my nose. I wanted to do that last because if I were to start sweating, I didn't want to mess up the makeup on my forehead. So yeah, I'm just going back and make sure that everything is really nice and blended. And for setting powder, I am using my Peach Perfect setting powder. And yeah, so I'm just going to set this on under my eyes first and my nose, make sure that everything's really nice and set. And this was like one of the times I couldn't find the brush that I usually use to set the rest of my face, but this brush really did its job. Like, I'm really shocked about this brush. It is one of the Morphes. I will list them down below for you guys if you guys are interested in getting it, but I think this is for like foundation, but it really worked for powder. Like, I felt like it actually did its work and I didn't waste that much product. So yeah, I will list it down below for you guys. And if you guys see my track, don't even trip, because I didn't even realize that my track was showing. So yeah, so I'm just making sure that everything is really nice and blended. Then I'm just going back and make sure that there's no excess powder on my face. Then I'm going with my Morphe Sculpting Duo in Celebutante. I don't even know if I've been saying it right, but yeah, so I'm just applying the darker shade on my cheeks. And then I go back with the lighter shade to blend it out, just so that I don't get any harsh lines. So I'm just going to apply this right on my cheekbones, jawline, and forehead, just to make my face appear slim. Because we all know we don't have a slim face. So yeah, so I just want to make sure that it looks slim. So I'm just doing this and blending it into my neck and all that good stuff. So then I just go back with that lighter shade and then I blend everything. But as you guys can see, I do like to keep going until it's really nice and blended and it doesn't look too crazy, because sometimes I kind of overdo it. So yeah. All right, for blush, I'm using this shadow. It's from this blush from NARS, and I have no idea what the name of it is, but I'll try to list it down below for you guys. But I think this blush is so old already that, I mean, I think I should already throw it away, because I don't feel like I can get any more color of it. It's like expired. I don't even know. But anyways, so I'm just going to apply some mascara. I'm using the Kush mascara from Milk Makeup. It has become one of my favorite mascaras. I just love this mascara so much. All right, moving on, I'm going to apply a little bit of highlight, and this one is from Ofra Cosmetics. This one is in Rodeo Drive. I'm going to spray my brush with a little bit of setting spray from Gerard Cosmetics, and I do have a discount code. I got an email from a few people asking me about a discount code. Guys, if you guys can open the box down below, you can get all the discount codes that I have, so you guys can get some money off. So yeah, so I didn't really wet my brush, because I feel like when I really spray on a lot of the spray on the brush, it kind of enhances the what is it, the pores and all that on my skin. So I really didn't want to do that. So I mean, I could have done it and it would have paid off more. It would have showed up a lot more, but yeah. So then I'm going back with the Celebutante Sculpting Duo, and then I'm just going to contour my nose a little bit with a brush. I always forget to do my nose, and then I look weird. I feel like I look weird. I don't know. So I'm just going to contour my nose a little bit, make it appear smaller, like if we got our nose done. And then apply a little bit of setting powder around my nose, and then remove it with that same brush, just to make sure that there's no harsh lines or anything. So you want to make sure you blend everything out, then go back and apply a little bit of highlight, and then we have a little cute little button nose. So I'm just here reapplying a little bit of highlight, because I was like, it's not popping. All right, here are we. Well, I was going to go with a nude lip, but I know you guys are so tired of seeing me using a nude lip, so I decided to go with a red lip for this look. And I am using the Time Los Angeles Cranberry liquid lipstick, and it has become one of my favorite red lipsticks. And you can definitely use Prettylilmzgrace for some money off if you guys are interested in getting some liquid lipsticks. I do have a video on me swatching all her liquid lipsticks. If you guys are interested, I will link it down below. And it's so beautiful. I love this color. So what I do is I kind of line up my lips first, then I go back and refill them just to make sure that I get that very reddish lip. So yeah, that's kind of basically it. So I'm just applying a little bit of setting spray, and yeah, this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and leave me a comment down below what other videos you would like to see. Love you guys, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.